Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or Fi Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. Right now I'm hanging out outside of a Starbucks, and the Starbucks is at Chandler Fashion Mall. So there's going to be a lot of music playing in the background, a lot of people walking around talking and stuff. But right now SLV is trying to break out of this 50-day moving average on the 60-minute chart right now. Again, the key point to take away right now is that the SLV is trying to consolidate in this pattern. It is an ascending, or more like an equal. It's just trying to, yeah, it's consolidating in the middle of a wedge pattern. And I'm not going to pull out to the longer term chart, but right here, as you guys can notice, the trend lines end at around June 25th and 26th. So basically, the market really has to determine where it wants to trade by that date, by that point in time, because it's either going to fall, it's either going to rise. It really depends on what's going to happen out of Europe. Again, if there's even more negative news coming from Europe, chances are the euro-US dollar will fall. If the euro-US dollar falls, that means a stronger dollar. Stronger dollar is bad for silver. Now, if in the event nothing bad happens out of Europe, or nothing worse happens out of Europe, and everything seems to be okay, chances are euro-US dollar will continue to rally. You're going to see the dollar index continue to fall, and then you're going to see silver continue to rally. So this is the macroeconomics behind what we're doing with the silver market right now. Really depends on what silver bulls are really willing to do. It all comes down to whether or not we can break above that upper trend line or the bottom trend line. But there's one thing for certain, this market really has to make a decision in the next 10 days as to where it wants to go. But as soon as it breaks below the trend line and it confirms below it, you're going to see a long-term direction in wherever silver is going to go, whether it continues to head higher for the next 2 to 3 months, or whether or not it's going to break below that trend line and fall for the next 2 to 3 months. Really depends on whether or not it's going to confirm above either of these trend lines. So watch silver closely. The silver market has to make a decision in the next 10 days, and once it makes its decision, it's going to keep it's going to head that direction for the next 2 to 3 months. So again, everything's up in the air for the silver market. Just watch it closely, trade the markets, and keep on following the markets. That's about all we can really do when trading silver. So take care, folks. You have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys more on Monday. See you later.